the new MOPAR Dodge Challenger Dragpak. It is a factory-developed race car. This is the fastest car we have ever built. This is a factory-offered, factory-developed race car that you can buy and go racing with off the trailer. This new Dragpak has a supercharged 354 aluminum Hemi mated to a 3-speed racing transmission that is manually shifted. This car is available with parachute, wheelie bars, straight from the factory, fully engineered, validated, and meets the performance of this vehicle. The Hellcat hood with its heat extractors gives us the best aerodynamics and the least amount of front-end lift. This car has an upgraded roll cage and chassis that are engineered together. So there's a safety aspect, there's a sanctioning body, specification aspect, and then there's an engineering aspect to get us the best performance out of this car. When the car lifts its wheels and you gotta bang the shifter and get it all right, when it's right, it's really good.